Alright, how you guys doing? We're back with a little quick tutorial. Nothing crazy. We got this little guy, which is an adorable little bear. We got him for only $2.99 at our local Goodwill. Definitely a good spot if you want to find little things to do. Found him and a couple other bears for about $3 to $5 area. So not a bad deal, but he's a little plain. Thought of his little shirt. Wanted to dress him up a little bit, so figured we'll do that real quick. I'll show you guys what it is. Nothing difficult, but just wanted to show you guys a little before and after what he looks like. That's about it. If you guys want to know where I got the stencil from, or should I say the file from, I will put the link down in the bio. Not sure if the store is still open or not, as a lot of people closed and open, but I think this one's a reliable source, so I want to say it's still open. I will put the link down in the description. Here it goes. We're gonna give them a little Stranger Things Hellfire little shirt. So stay tuned. I'm doing normal stuff that anybody else does, taking the shirt off and pressing it. Don't know if you guys want to see all that, but if you do, let me know in the comments below, and I'll end up doing another one. We want to do a bigger barrel and a bigger scale type thing, so let us know if you guys want to see the whole process, and then I'll show it to you guys. But I'm gonna just do a little quick thing. I already wheedled that. I'm gonna press it on here with my Cricut press. I'm gonna use a little one that looks like a mouse, the easy press, and then we'll be back. All right, and he is done. This is what he looks like. That's our little beanie hat. It's supposed to be a do-rag, but you know, just wanted to do it for the video. So we do got a different type coming, so let me know if you guys like him. Also wanted to say we got this inspiration from a friend of ours on Instagram. We follow her. She follows us for a long time. We seen that she purchased one of these and we thought it was adorable, and we thought we had everything to make it, so why not? So we made our little version. This one right here is not for sale. We're not gonna sell nothing that's like a reuse and stuff like that. I'm not gonna sell something from the Goodwill and like up the price on it. It's not what we're about. When we sell a bear, the bear is new and stuff like that. So unless you guys really want them, then who knows. But anyways, let us know if you guys like that video. As always, remember to subscribe, consider subscribing, and let us know what you guys thought of him. Is he adorable? What else do you want to see us do in the future? And that's pretty much about it. Till next time.